Canada vẫn chưa cần mà hay free wifi đâu ông quá nó thấy nó free wifi ông hết trơn hey corner Brook cần ông á tour house so where do we get the shuttle bus so shuttle bus tại sao cần sang đó tao nak kan ka do na sang non hang lo me bang ai kan bus am bus hi kan bus de chale akieto ta baron pa ka hang me ga chu ma hang ka thua pak ma
walk back, you know.
với tôi có cả ba thì cần có mấy mình ấy no I wanna ask you something yeah. What should we will go around, right? Let's take around. Here, Canada Library. Yan Cop me. Yes, we are in Canada. Corner Brook. We're in Corner Brook. Canada here. Mùi sôi sông à cần cân nó đón tất cả. How many places are we gonna visit? Yeah, so many like 12, 15?
More than that.
12 to 15 I guess.
So you are coming back.
Canada ram ring ko tapo hen som pa ni aṭang a som pa nga bel ni mo chu kan kalon you see that David here welcome to downtown City Hall the other side yeah public library Rotary Art Center Museum and Archive. Since there's nothing very quiet. But anyway, yeah.
Yes, very quiet.
Yeah, unlike India. So that's why today we will talk about how do you get this job.
Me?
Yes.
Oh,
I mean, how many experience do you need? Wait, let's talk about Kan department hi casino nya hi ka thok pu yan ya chuan emi turhen experience ang zangi anei te lu a rem ti vel te kan zo ta nge ama hi Dominican Republic ami nya mo Spanish aṭanga in aṭanga. Okay, can you tell me how to get this job? How many experience do you need?
Our company require at least 2 years experience, but you need to know at least 3 games like Blackjack, Roulette, poker, or baccarat.
Okay.
And you can apply. Me, I've been working the ship for a long time, for many years, and I'm still working. I think it's one of the best jobs on the ship, the casino. So we have a lot of time to do video like that.
Yeah. Pwede mo top mo. Kanman be mani. Yes. And yeah, before coming on board, I mean before doing this job, do you need to attend a training center or something?
No,
Training school?
for us, no, because when we come on the ship, they do the training on the ship for us. Like we don't need to have the training. Especially in NCL, they do the training for us.
Okay.
Yeah,
So any qualification?
just to have like a normal school, like a high school finish, I think. And the 2-year experience of casino.
Okay.
Yeah, that's only they require.
Is it hard to get a visa?
No, not really, because if you have the contract and the letter from the company, it's very easy to get the visa. Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
個作嚟這人共緊行間碌嘅，咁得聽袋都做緊緊那些。啲像個錯背的 department 上嘅面，我們呢種個作這話，那錯緊嘅。Making it a flag. Okay, let's continue. So, how many months on board for the casino?
Normally we do 7 months, 7.5. I think it's a long contract, but for us, like we don't work much. It's not too bad. But for example, all the departments they work a lot. They have short contract. But for us,
Alright.
like we don't have much to do the ship. Like we have time to relax. That's why we have long contract.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do you like the job on board? I mean,
Yes. For me, I like it because I'm from Dominican Republic, and Dominican Republic, as the casino, to work at the casino there is they don't pay much, you know. On the ship you get better salary,
okay.
yeah,
And a better life?
better life too, yeah.
All right.
I mean, like you can have good life at home, but the money is best. The money
Yes.
is best on the ship.
Yeah, money matter.
Yeah, money matter.
Yeah. Some mo no back. Me, I hate except rough sea.
That's
Yeah.
That's
For me, it's okay.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But tonight we have beautiful day, sunny.
Yes.
Now it's a little bit cloudy, but earlier was very sunny and good. We are without jacket for a long time.
Now we can unpack. Oh, it says wait again.
It's weather.
แล้วก็ถ้าโทรที่อันวามรู้ตัวกัน department ที่กัน all ตัวปนิจูไอ้กันนี่จูชูน่าแต่กันชอบมันนะdepartment ดังแต่จูชูน่าแต่ชอบเทเราแต่มีอันนี้เราตัวกันนี่จูแกสิโนจูลงอาจวนน่าชอบเป็นนี่ไม่เทียนี่บูติกช็อปดอร์มฮักแต่เน้นมั่วแกนี่จูให้แต่ชูน่าแต่กันเลี้ยงเทียข้าชันตุกตานี่จูอันวามโลอินโซฮิจูอันวามก็ติดเสียแล้วว่าฮิจูบักอะเองอาเชนตันเราตั้มอาเชนตันเราเตะมาอันวามแล้ววันนี้จูโลสวยฮิจูอารมณ์เสียกันเรื่องเรา Wanna check inside? Maybe we can have a look. Souvenir กันอันนั้นI'll check magnets Me, I want oud. I don't like
Like
this.
oud?
Yeah, oud with Canada, written Canada. Oh, but I can find also in other port, right? Luto ka siya ba?ให้มีกันหารู้ตัวข้างกลุ่มนี่ experience สังไงยะจวนโอ้อันมานี่ตัน Dominican Republic ตังค่ะจวนให้ลูกค้าเอาซ้ำตัวนี้จวนอันนี้จู่ experience ไอ้เมียปุ๊ในเราคันเองละว่าexperience ปุ๊ในเราเนี่ยนี่จู่หลงอันในนี่จู่โอ้ยก็ใส่ตุ้มตักไปก็ใส่ไทยเราเทรนมาDavid, would you mind if I ask you about salary in Dominican Republic?
The salary, if you work in a casino, you can make around $600.
$600. So
Yeah.
same like India.
Yeah, similar, yeah.
But that will be a long time ago, right?
Yeah, we have like yeah, a long time. The problem is you need to pay there like for house, 17.
All right.
Like on the ship we don't pay nothing. We have everything covered.
But
That's
the company doesn't provide accommodation, travels, food allowance, nothing?
No. You need to provide everything there.
Oh,
Because
okay.
you are local there, like you live close to,
All right.
yeah.
India, they provide accommodation for the
Yeah.
food and travel.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, not bad.
But
So-
for us, they take the employer from the community. Like they don't have to pay nothing.
Okay.
Like everybody live close by. Yeah.
All right. That's interesting. Maybe we can take. I did not check, but it is good Wi-Fi. I know. Vui cần cần nó chỗ are khóc mày, right? Very quiet,
Yes.
right? John, I forget to ask you.
Yes.
Is there any age limit working on board?
No, really. If you can pass the medical, I think you can work on the ship. Yeah.
Okay.
Age limit, yeah.
And then we have, what is that, pension, right? We have pension, right?
On the ship?
Yeah,
50.
50 years? Yeah, retirement.
No, I think if you stay like longer,
Is
20
it?
years, I think they give you some money.
Okay.
I don't really know. Before was like, yes, but now I think they're
Okay.
not giving anymore.
So working on board is like 7 to 8 months, and vacation. What about vacation? How long vacation you can have?
Normally 2 months.
All right.
You can sometimes you can extend if you have something to do. You can stay for 3 months. Also, you can have short vacation too. You
Okay.
have like a 1 month and a half. But at least minimum, I think it's 1 month's vacation you can take it.
Okay.
But normal is 2 months. Yeah.
And for the ladies, suppose I'm married,
Yeah.
so maternity leave up to 2 years, right?
Oh, I'm not sure about that.
I think 2 years.
Yeah.
I know you are not. I'm
Yeah.
just asking. Yeah, 2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
Okay. You need to be home for 2 years.
Yes, that's the maximum.
No, but half an India maybe. Because normally I see people who have pregnant, deliver the baby. After 2 months they come back to the ship.
Yes. Yeah. That.
Western Philippines.
Yes.
Yeah.
I heard that one. I cannot do that. I don't think
No,
so.
I cannot leave the baby alone.
Yeah, cannot.
Not like that.
Sometimes it is hard to work. It's really tough for the ladies if we carry the baby and then deliver and then we need to keep the baby home. Oh my God.
It's very hard.
Yeah.
So for the mother, well, it's hard for the baby, no? The baby needs a mother, no? You as a mother, you need your baby too, no?
Oh wait, let's take a picture. Carnal. They have a nice car here.
Yeah.
See, all their cars are very big.
A lot of space here. Canada. Big one. But not many population.
Titur mom na wa long lama tihan kan hoto do na free wifi ka ma free wifi ha kan mang du sia free wifi nei dei kha ta nak tuk si dei ni le do na tu na hian India ne hen kan timing hi a in la to khoba dakar sari le chum bi dakar ya te be ran da kan timing ni thau da ni mo thọ bụi pa hi ti đây là anh nó nãy hiện anh nghe thấy mặc đều đều hi khen về nhỉ cho à mà hi rin na chăn được tục bát hiền na rin na này chăn được tục cái nào thì anh anh nụ bụi này cái khá pha cái khăn phải lúc làวันนี้cho mà thế là anh pha anh này khá anh nghe bát hiền khăn anh không na hiền chết bụi tuกันสดชุนจอมเจลังกันกันหลักโลเวเจจะท่าตะกันละเวดูเจบอกจะตบเจ้าเจ้าข้างไอ้ชีนะก็แชมป้าให้กันสดเลยเจลังไง David okay on like okay working on board is there any day off
we don't have day off actually but the casino we are overnight. The casino closed and we are off.
okay
Because the casino cannot open when we are on the port.
all right
Need to
So-
be international water to be open. But for other department, they may not have the same lock like we have because they have to work every day.
all right
But for that, no, only when we are at sea.
maybe we can cross the street การข่าวเราดิ้งหัวพุ่งเสียอีได้ออฟฟิศอมนะว่าลงอาเฮียนที่คัน overnight ที่กันในอันนี้ชวนออฟฟิศกันในเทรนนี่จู่นี่ไม่นี่ตินให้อีกันหมุดไอ้ที่คัดที่เฮียนกันสวักเวทีนั่นนี่จู่ให้กัน off day เวอังที่เฮียนกันเลต้าจานะลงค่าอากาศจวนค่ากันหน้าท้องหุ่นนั่นนี่แหละไม่อันนี้จู่ออฟฟิศกันในเจ้าเรา overnight กันในนี่จวนวันนี้เรียกกันนี่ Masila long te a chuan na te atam lava. So every night, how many hours you are working?
Normally work like a 6 hour every day, 6-7 hours sometimes. We have sea day, we work a little bit more. We work around 8 hours. But on the regular day, it's on like a 6 to 7 hours every day. Yeah.
Okay. So on board, do they provide food?
Yes, they provide food. Like we have coffee break too. We have some snack,
Okay.
juice, milk, coffee. This normally every time. But we have breakfast, lunch, dinner too. You know.
Are they complimentary?
Yes, they are complimentary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and Kim hit so there, yeah, na te, katiang zong zong ka atlon ve ka, kan coffee in there, juice te, katiang te, chang te ka free ve ka ni chu. Longa hian kan oma, kan oma handi la, na kan thok tok patikan, company tan. So lai chuan kan pathum nge free wifi, kan pak mang don. Hay na sina kan kal na bok kana. Kan lat siang mai ve shim shim nge. Anh ấy sạc đàn hết cả độ thì cái chỗ cement concrete với ai cho hết thằng hết nở cái tia so supposed to free wifi free wifi thì chỗ một tài luôn rồiน้ำเข้ามาบนอินโดนีเซียกันหัวให้มีทราฟิกโอ้สิกันเจ็บเจ็บเฮ้ยดิฉันบัตรนะเมตาจวนสมิโซที่อัสเซนโซอัสเซนไลฟ์จวนกันเหล่าจูร์อันเนี้ยที่ที่เชื่อเราต้องตักกันนะส่วนอย่างเงี้ย orange color นี่คัน warning sign ตัวนี้ตัวอัศนไลที่จองกันเราตกตัวที่นั่นเนี่ยจวนอาชินหุ่นท่ากันหักโดนนี่ตัวอาชินหุ่นไล่แต่กันกัลเทหุ่นชัวกันกัลเทหุ่นอันเนี้ยจวนให้ตัวน่ะให้ไล่ให้กุดเลี้ยมให้มีฮิตไทม์ค่ะเราโดนนี่จะมีหุ่นอ่ะจวนมีชิงอินนักกงกันการเทหุ่นมั่วเส้นที่กันหักเลยต่อเร็วเวให้ลำจุดด่านที่ด่านนั่นเนี่ย rules and regulation ที่อัน follow ชัดต้องว่าไม่ว่าจะยังไงด่านเราก็ที่ตีที่ตัวเริ่มเชียนเราโอ้อร่อยชิงเวเด็ดเจ้ากันการเพย์เจ้เฮได้มากับเรากังเฮกันการเพย์คนชัว Canada ka kalna chu kha kan kalna chu nim phot mai se he free wifi te kan mang do se kan chwa he chan e kan du tho ve sia tu ne tan chang kan du to phot nge ni le phot ule